What if I told you that you can generate cinematic AI videos completely for free, right on your own computer, with no monthly subscription, no usage limits, and no watermarks? That is exactly what WAN 2.1 lets you do. And in this video, I am going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get it installed and running in under 15 minutes using only free tool. So make sure you watch all the way through because I am also going to show you how to fix the most common errors people run into during installation so you do not waste hours troubleshooting like most people do. Welcome back to GenFree. If you are new here, this channel is all about using free AI tools to build content, automate workflows, and grow your online business without breaking the bank. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Now, let us get straight into it. Before we install anything, let me quickly show you what WAN 2.1 actually is and why it is a big deal. WAN 2.1 is an open-source AI video generation model that you can run completely locally on your own computer. That means you are not paying Sora, you are not paying Runway, and you are not paying Kling. You own the tool, you keep every video you generate, and there are zero restrictions on how many videos you can make. The quality is genuinely impressive. Let me show you a few examples of videos I generated on my own machine right before recording this tutorial. Every single one of those videos was generated locally on my computer for free. Now let me show you how to do the same thing. The first thing we are going to do is download Pinokio. Pinokio is a free app that acts like an app store for AI tools. Instead of dealing with Python environments, command lines, and complicated setups, Pinokio handles all of that for you automatically. Open your browser and go to pinokio.computer. I also left a direct link in the description below. You will see the download button right on the homepage. You can install Pinokio on Mac, Windows, or Linux. For my case, I will install it on Windows. Once it is downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation is straightforward and takes about 2 minutes. Once Pinokio is installed, open it up and you will see the main interface. Step 2. Find WAN 2.1 inside Pinokio. Now that Pinokio is open, we need to find WAN 2.1. Click on the globe icon or the Discover section in Pinokio. This opens the App Store where you can search for AI tools. In the search bar, type WAN 2.1 and hit Enter. You are looking for the app called WAN 2.1 by Remfanstar. It should appear near the top of the results. This is the community version that has a really clean interface and works great for our purposes. Click on it to open the app page. Before we get into the installation, let me quickly cover what you need. First, you need a Windows computer. WAN 2.1 does work on Mac and Linux, but this tutorial is focused on Windows. Second, you need at least 5 GB of VRAM on your graphics card. If you are not sure what GPU you have, press the Windows key and R at the same time, type DXDiag, hit Enter, and click on the Display tab. It will show you your graphics card right there. For example, mine is 16 GB of VRAM on my graphics card. You also need some free 50 GB of space for the installation. If your machine meets those requirements, let us move on. On the WAN 2.1 app page, you will see a download or install button. Click it and proceed with the latest version. Instead of installing all these plugins manually, Pinokio will now automatically handle the entire installation process in one click. It will download Python, set up the virtual environment, install all the required packages including PyTorch, and download the necessary dependencies. This process can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed. You will see a terminal window with text scrolling as everything installs. That is completely normal. Just let it run and do not close the window. During the installation, you may be prompted to choose a name for the project. Leave it by default and proceed. This pops up an install screen. Go ahead and click Install. This can take some time since it's downloading everything, all the dependencies, but this only happens once when you download it for the first time. Once the installation is complete, you will see a pop-up that says Installation Completed. Click on Start to load WAN 2.1. When WAN 2.1 loads up, click the Configuration tab at the top, then click Performance. I will leave most settings at their defaults and scroll straight to the important ones. First, find the profile setting. Change it from the default low RAM profile 4 to high RAM low RAM profile 2. This profile is specifically recommended for cards like the RTX 3080 and 3090 and will give you faster generation speeds if your machine has at least 32 GB of RAM. If your machine has lower RAM, you can leave this on the default profile and videos will still generate, just a little slower. Next, find the number of MB of models preloaded in VRAM slider. Change it from the default 0 to 12000. This tells WAN to keep the model loaded directly on your GPU instead of constantly swapping with your system RAM, which makes a significant difference in generation speed. Now click over to the General tab, find the Attention Type dropdown, and change it from Auto to Scale.Product Attention, also listed as SDPA. This is the most stable option for Windows and prevents the common Triton error that many people run into. Once you have made all three changes, scroll down and click Apply Changes. Now click on the Video Generator tab. You will see the main generation interface. Let me quickly walk you through the key settings. At the top, you can choose which WAN model to use. We will keep it on WAN 2.1 text to video 1, 3B for now, which is the fastest option. In the prompts box, clear the default text and type your own description of the video you want to generate. Be descriptive and cinematic in your prompt for the best results. Here is an example prompt you can use to test. A cinematic shot of a lone astronaut floating in deep space, Earth visible in the background, stars glowing, slow rotation, ultra-realistic. For resolution, keep it at 832 by 480, which is 480p. This gives you fast generations while you are testing. For the number of frames, 81 frames gives you about 5 seconds of video. And keep inference steps at 30 for a good balance of speed and quality. When you are ready, click Generate and let the magic happen. Your first generation will take longer than normal because the model files need to be loaded into memory for the first time. After that, subsequent generations will be faster. And there it is, your very first locally generated AI video completely free on your own machine. For a 5-second video, it took 24 minutes to finish the generation. Let me know down below how long did yours take. And that is how you install and run WAN 2.1 completely free using Pinokio on Windows. No subscriptions, no watermarks, no limits. Just pure AI video generation on your own machine. Now, if you are running into issues with generation speed or want to unlock even faster and higher quality outputs, I have got a follow-up tutorial coming very soon where I show you how to run WAN 2.1 through Comfy UI for much better GPU performance. Make sure you are subscribed so you catch that one the moment it drops. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like on this video. It genuinely helps more people find this content. And if you have any questions about the installation, drop them in the comments below, and I will do my best to get back to every single one. I will see you in the next one.